In this video, we will discuss about the maintenance concept of the Huawei UPS5000-H series. First of all, this UPS is fully modular. All components are hot swappable and can be replaced without shutting down. Power module, static bypass, or communication and controller boards. Secondly, in our design, each power module has its own coupling switch. This enables to remove the main switches. Now, please be focused on the touchscreen. The UPS operates as a system with several power modules 100 kW in parallel. During your routine maintenance, first you can check the alarms, the status of the rectifiers and bypass input, the status of the output, and of course the status of the battery. Second, you will have the information of each power module, voltage, current, and load rate. At the end of these records, you will be able to check the status of the fans and capacitors. For this purpose, our R&D has developed a dedicated function based on AI, giving a real status of the component's lifetime. Regarding the preventive maintenance of the modules, you will be able to carry out the cleaning individually by remaining in double conversion mode at partial load during your maintenance operation. You can easily remove and clean the module by using a trolley. To sum up, our modular UPS5000-H reduces the maintenance cost and maintenance downtime thanks to the long lifetime components, the modular design, and AI. In addition to the benefits of the Huawei 5000H UPS series, and in order to reduce operating and maintenance costs, the lithium battery cabinet solutions offer several major advantages. First, you can extend the battery lifetime up to 15 years compared to traditional lead-acid solutions. Secondly, the lithium battery is fully monitored by the battery control unit. This means that you don't need to perform impedance measurement at regular intervals, reducing the cost and the risk of failure. To check the battery connection, it's very simple because all the checks are done on the front of the cabinet. Last but not least, you can increase the ambient temperature of the battery room up to 25 degrees plus or minus 2 degrees without affecting the design life of the battery. To conclude, the UPS5000H and the SmartLi3.0 create a perfect combination to reduce your operating and maintenance costs by offering a simple, smart and flexible solution.